Now, the second largest cryptocurrency is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has many similarities to Bitcoin, but there's also some improved functionality. It was proposed in 2013 by a genius named Vitalik Buterin. In fact, after he wrote the Ethereum white paper, he thought he was going to go back to school. His life really changed after that. Ethereum is a decentralized global computer. EVM stands for the Ethereum Virtual Machine. Now, with Ethereum, you can write these conditional contracts. You can base contracts on some logical steps that need to be met before payment is sent. So you can think about different businesses we can run off a decentralized global computer. For instance, they're already piloting flight insurance off of it. If you pay a certain amount for a flight and your flight doesn't leave within 2 hours, then you're compensated for the flight not leaving. And this is done in a decentralized way. There's no person that needs to check whether or not the flight left. The computers do it. So there's a standard that Ethereum has created called ERC20. And off this standard are written these tokens that have been part of the ICO boom in 2017. And these are all decentralized applications that run on the Ethereum platform. Remember all those tokens we spoke about in an earlier lesson. Now, one thing to note about dApps is you can see them on stateofthedapps.com. There's over 1,000 of these protocols available. And if you go to that website, you can go research and see everything that's built on the Ethereum blockchain.